Hello, thanks for joining us once again. We are Eco Cleaning Pro, and today it's all about deep cleaning the bathroom. How we deep clean the bathroom. So as you can see, we're using the drill brush. The drill brush is used to clean. We deep clean with the drill brush. Drill clean all over the tiles from top to bottom. So after we have done with that and everything is cleaned out and we have certain on it, and then we start the sanitizing, which comes in with the steam cleaning. So the steam cleaning takes up any bacteria that might be left, skin residue, anything of that sort is sanitized out. Because it's the steam is for sanitizing, we do the steaming last. So here you have it. This is the conditions that we found it, and these are the conditions that we left it. Customer was very happy. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. Have a great day.